Hey everyone, I'm Serge. I'm a software developer from Toronto, Canada, and in this video, I wanted to go through and try and convert Scaffold-ETH from using Rainbowkit as the wallet provider to dynamic. Um, what is Scaffold-ETH? It's a one-stop shop for all of your needs to be able to run a DApp and develop smart contracts. And they have a lot of really handy tools and utilities for you to get started very quickly. And so this is part of a series where I will be doing a project for a hackathon. Part of it is going to be doing some Web3 gaming in Unity and Spatial. And here I just wanted to see if we can use Privy. Reason for that is they have an extensive amounts of logins for things outside of wallets. So if you want to sign up with a Farcaster account or Google or with a Passkey, their authentication seems to be more inclusive, and we want to make sure that this game is available to people that might not have wallets yet to be able to help onboard some new users to Web3. And so here we go. To do that, we're gonna see. So this is a project that is just the Scaffold-ETH base level account. And again, I haven't worked with this too much, and so I'm gonna be trying it out. But what I see is they have a Rainbowkit dependency, and what we're gonna do is search for Rainbowkit. And so there's not that many files, which is great. And we are gonna create a new feature branch for Privy. And yeah, let's just go ahead and nuke this and install Privy. So I have a account set up. I have selected some login methods, login with Passkey, with Farcaster, prioritizing Web3. I am gonna need an API key. App secret, app ID. Well, let's look at the docs. Quick start. We have a preview provider. We have an app ID. We have some sort of appearance. Embedded wallets create users without wallets. Cool. All right. You're gonna need to install this. What do we use? Do we use Yarn here? Yeah. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this command. Oh, maybe this is not gonna be in the right workspace. Yeah, because this is using workspaces, which I also haven't worked with too much. But let's just take what's in this package, Privy. Get rid of dependencies. It's probably not the right way to do it. I do it with workspaces and then targeting this workspace, but at Privy. Let's put it somewhere here. Should reorder them alphabetically when I run yarn install. Cool. So this makes sense. And so we have our README file, which will now say is using Privy. And for some reason, the lock file still has Rainbowkit stuff, but that's okay. We don't need this style anymore. Scaffold-ETH with app providers. Let's go in there. Rainbow. Maybe we restart Yes, lint. Because I don't have Rainbowkit anymore. Which is interesting that it's still in the yarn log file. Don't necessarily want to nuke the whole thing, but did it install? Yeah. Okay. Well, maybe this isn't going to be that difficult. So instead of Rainbowkit provider, we're taking this Privy provider. We're going to import it. Cool. Don't have a logo yet. Let's get rid of that. And your app ID, we're just gonna do process.env.privy app ID. We're gonna take this example. Yeah, so we have an Alchemy API key and a Wall Connect. Scaffold-ETH provides their own API keys, which is pretty awesome. But what we're gonna do now is go into our file explorer and create a .env.local, which will have a Privy app ID, which will equal to this guy. I don't know if you can steal it and use it. I might need to lock it down or change it afterwards, but this is for a hackathon project, and we'll probably use a different project if we continue working on this. Stringer undefined. Okay, well, if you're not undefined, cool. Oh, let's do this. This was handy from the Rainbowkit. So is dark mode dark light mounted? What was mounted for? Oh, so first you have to mount it and then check. Okay. Let's just take this thing, these themes from Rainbowkit. Cool. So theme mounted light, oh, dark. Light. By default, we'll go light. What do you not like here? Oh, I guess this is a config, not a prop. Okay, that looks good. What else do we have? Rainbowkit related. We have this header. We have this Rainbowkit custom connect button. Let's just see if they have a connect. Button. Privy provider. Ready. React. What do we have here? Appearance, login methods. That's already set up in Privy. So Rainbowkit custom connect button is turning into a Privy custom connect button. Custom connect button. Privy login button. I'm going to change the name of this file. I guess this is the... Okay, so there's a couple things in here that are actually not necessarily Rainbowkit related, so we might be able to use it because we're using WAGMI with Privy instead of just Privy by itself. So cool. Header is going to use Privy login button. What else is Rainbowkit? Blocky avatar component. I think this is just TypeScript. Let's see, Copilot is smart here. Nice. Should be fine. Where is this being used? Address. Rainbow. Nothing here. That's cool. Who knows? We might be able to get away with this. Anything else? That doesn't exist. Or oh, I guess the folder is what that is called. Oh, that's going to be annoying. Let's see if it updates. Let's see if this is actually me also using cursor for the second day instead of VS Code. So let's see. Okay, that updated. I wonder if it updated all of the references. I guess they're new. Yeah, okay. Cool. Cool. Rainbowkit, and we have WAGMI connectors left here. Wallets. Did we have something here for wallets? Maybe we can figure out what wallets. Well, let's see what happens. I need wallets. So use wallets. And then there's this burner wallet that comes from burner connector, which is set up for the Foundry testing of the smart contracts. I think this was created by Scaffold-ETH, and because they're set up for Rainbowkit, it's a Rainbowkit burner wallet. I should be able to, or this is not a hook, not a functional component, so I can't use a hook in here. You know what? I think they have a WAGMI example. Maybe this is the one I need. Privy WAGMI example. Ah, okay. Let's see what they got going on. Privy React Auth, Privy WAGMI. Let's take these two. Package Next.js. That's okay. And then we'll need maybe something here. Let's see what's in our next config here. Webpack. Okay, so stuff. And then we need like this config.snapshot maybe. Should be okay. React strict mode. Oh, this is a cool way to just say, because Next.js does this thing where if you don't specify a remote pattern, it'll block it. And then they're just saying, send all of the remote images. We'll probably have to fine tune that later because this is not ideal, but I've never seen that setup. So this is cool. Let's look at their layout to see what the providers look like. And that's going to be in components, providers, wallets, Privy config. Okay, okay. So what's in our WAGMI config here? WAGMI connectors. And where are we using these? In the WAGMI config. Do we need connectors? Let's just take this. Provider. Interesting. Privy provider goes on top. Let's move that. And but WAGMI config is here. And we have mainnet Spolia. That makes sense, but let's target networks. Oh, okay, so that's coming from scaffold config, which we have the Foundry config, but we also have mainnet. Let's add base Sepolia. Client, sure. Sure. Okay, so login methods. Maybe we can specify stuff in here. Embedded wallet. So what do we have right now? Oh, maybe this is like WAGMI connectors. Do we need connectors? Maybe we don't. Delete. Rainbowkit. Okay, so cool. We probably broke a lot of stuff, but yarn install. Oh, yarned up. Nope. Yarn. Yarn. What do we have here? Next.js. Start. Localhost. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. Invalid Privy app ID. Oh, because I replaced. Did I replace Privy app ID? I have it in my env.local. It's definitely the app ID. What do you not like about that? And environment.local. Do we have a use client? So maybe as string. Oh, maybe because this is next public. Probably not on the server. Okay, so we don't have some handy tips, but we don't have a local chain running, which is fine. We are just trying to log in with Privy. Look at that. That's working. Let's connect to MetaMask. Let's use a new account. What are we calling it? Rock, paper, ninja, MetaMask. Sign in. And that should, well, I don't have any logic to not show that. Let's see, what was the custom connect? Well, yeah, it was the old one. So where was the deleted one? There it is. So connect wallet, wrong network, and then we do this thing here. So index. If authenticated. Balance. And then we need like probably account, or that we can take from. So Rainbowkit gave it probably in the render prop. We're gonna need to do const use account, const use network, use chain. Does use Privy have a network chain? So you are doing good here. Address, network color. Network color. Jeez, okay. Use Privy. Network. Wallet. Dot. Chain ID. Use Privy. Privy interface. Authenticate it. Connect or create. Connect wallet. Create. Enroll. Use connected. Oh, no. Use account. User. Chain. I think I can ask it something. Let's see how cursor wants me to do it. Oh, okay. Can you instead of using Rainbowkit render props, can you get the variables from language? And now we got cursor in action. Oh, you beauty. Chain from use network. Okay. We need these two. Use network. not the right WAGMI. Did it give me the wrong one? Yeah, use that. Use chains. So chains, or I need the one chain. Chain ID. Where's the migrating? Use network. Chain. Chain is from use account. Address. Authenticated and chain. Because they'll need the unsupported one probably as well. Address. Display name. ENS avatar. Address I already have. Let's see. ENS. Oh, I need to like use ENS. Avatar. So Rainbowkit did make it a lot more simple. Let's just see if this works. Oh, I need to obviously return. Do we have these guys undefined? So authenticated, but WAGMI hooks aren't working. And if I look at my MetaMask, it says I'm connected. WAGMI provider, WAGMI config, enable chains. What chain am I? So mainnet should be there. What am I connected to? Oh, OP. So wrong network. Okay, let's see if we can get the wrong network button. The network drop down. Index. Wrong network drop down. What's target network? Use target network. Okay. Okay, so authenticated and chain. Okay. Use target network. What are you gonna do here? unsupported. Chain unsupported. Updated connect return type from to accounts. Chain ID. Okay. Hopefully, what's target network? What are you? Are you frozen? Am I doing something here that I shouldn't be doing? Let's try to run a chain. Doesn't like something that I'm doing. Probably re-rendering a bunch. Let's close this tab. Let's try it again. Do we have what's target network? Oh, so this has to be okay. Let's get a target network that isn't. So we have like all the chains. Use chains. Chains. So no, not let's do chain ID. You're a chain. Chains does not unused chains. What are you there? Use that. Are you not? Oh, okay. What do you give me? Chains. Ethereum Foundry. Okay. So if chains. No. Let's get rid of this target network stuff. So is const is supported chains. Oh, so if it's not supported. Yeah. Because what is the chain right now? Undefined. Well, because it's not not chain. Oh, if chain. If not chain. Wrong network. Disconnect. Okay, cool. So I'll be able to hook that up. Switch to Foundry. So it only wants me to use Foundry. Okay, but if we, for example, connect to mainnet, there we go. We have that working. So that's the balance part. And yeah, we just switched from Rainbowkit to Privy. That's pretty cool. 42 minutes later. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you are curious about seeing something else, I'd be happy to try and take a stab at it. But yeah, this is my third video, and it'll get better, I promise. So thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you in the next one.